What's going on, guys? For today's video, we have a Supreme Spring Summer 26 Week 11 live cop. Not really any bangers dropping this week. I don't even really know what the collab is considered unless they're considering the art dealer thing the whole collab. I think there was about 6 things that I wanted to go for, but none of them were anything like too crazy or anything I was going to be upset about if I didn't get. Because I think for once the plan this week is I'm just going to add everything I want into the cart. If something sells out, it sells out. We're not even gonna try to do multiple checkouts. We're just gonna try to get one giant cart. And if something sells out, it sells out. It's whatever. Because I'm not really too hyped about any of these items. The most hyped item thing is gonna be the knife. And we are, of course, gonna go for that. I think I might try to get the black colorway. And then my favorite thing that's dropping this week is this Warrior zip up hoodie. I do really like this thing. I don't want it for the personal, but I just think it's crazy with all the embroidery. And for all of this embroidery, I kind of feel like $200 is a steal. I'm just a little iffy on which colors to get because I was thinking about getting black and gray, but I do really like the maroon, but I feel like the maroon might be a little bit harder to wear, so I might just play it safe and get the black one and the gray one. But yeah, I don't know, and I don't want to get a second cart, so I'm really only going to pick 2. I'll probably end up going with black and gray, but I guess we'll see. Next up is the Lily short sleeve shirt. I do really want to get this for the personal, but I don't know, I just always buy these shirts and never end up wearing them, so I kind of feel like right now I think it is so sick, but am I really going to wear this thing? This might even hit the sale, who knows? So I'm just going to skip on that item. Then the Shadows baggy denim and the Shadows 6 panel, we're going to go for both of those. I just want to go for them because it's art dealer. I don't really think they're going to sell out, to be honest, but they're really cool designs, so I just want to go for them. Then I'm a little iffy on if I should go for the monogram beanie. If I do, that's probably just going to be the pink colorway. And then I want to get the Shadows top as well. And then I think the last thing I want to go for is the baggy selvage denim short. I want to get that for the personal, so that's like pretty much the only personal we're going for this week. I mainly only want those because I never got the Jabot ones, and then those ones just skyrocketed in price. After being pretty much retail for the longest time, they skyrocketed in price, and I just waited too long. So maybe I could get these as a nice sort of like replacement, I guess you could say. And I thought there was like a sweater thing I wanted to, maybe not. Yeah, I thought there was like a sweater dropping that I was gonna say, but so yeah, anyways, not really anything too crazy this week. So if we don't get everything I want, I'm all right about it. I'm just mainly on the fence on which hoodies to get. Like, should I go for the maroon one or should I just play it safe? Usually when I buy the things that I like to resell, they just don't end up reselling, so I kind of feel like maybe I should just get black and gray, but I don't know. That's enough talking. We can get into the live cop, but before we do, make sure you follow me on Instagram as well as my brand Sudden. You could check out my store, The Storm Factory, as well. All the information will be in the description down below if you want to check that out. I've also been uploading some reels, and I have a whole playlist with all my other live cops if you want to check those out as well. All that should be on my channel or in the description down below. But all right, let's get into this live cop. And we are live on the live cop. We got about a minute left until the drop. So what was last week? Oh yeah, we had some of the Ghostface stuff. Still haven't got any of that stuff yet, but actually my stuff is shipping now, so we should be good on that. Oh, and the camera. Haven't got that yet. I don't even think that one shipped actually, but I mean, I have faith because like I said, a lot of my stuff is finally shipping and it actually is getting delivered pretty quickly. So I think whatever that little hiccup was at the beginning of this season, it's passed, and now we're finally getting the stuff here pretty quickly. But all right, we got a couple seconds left now until the drop. And again, I'm not too worried about anything this week, so I'm just going to try to get, I'm just going to load up on a really big cart, and if anything sells out, it sells out. I'm not going to be that upset about it. All right, 5 seconds left. What do I always do? Okay, here we go. And it's 11. Where we at? There we go. We're going for this. Honestly, I thought that was a little bit cheaper than that, and this was my main thing I wanted to go for. I'm gonna grab this and this. This is what I'm a little iffy about. Dang, why do I also feel like this was a little bit more? And I'm not even 100% sure I want those. We're going with that, and then I think that's just the hat is left. Oh, and the knife. Grab the hat. Grab the knife. I don't even want to get another one of those. And we're going for the checkout. We got a crazy car right now. It was almost $1,000, or was $1,000? I already forgot. What the heck was that? I thought it was 3. Kind of threw me off for a second. Dude, these new ones are really getting me. These new ones are really getting me. Right through as expected. Wow, this is going to be a super easy cop. $1,098. Oh, we already got right through. Super easy cook. Just as I expected. Yeah, it sucks that those hoodies were like literally so expensive. Oh, this is what I forgot to say at the beginning. I actually really like this, but usually these sweaters just don't fit me very well. I was considering on getting this. I love the color. I just think the design, everything looks really cool, but these just never fit me well, and I'm like super upset about it. And then usually, not all the time, but usually you can't resell these and you just take a loss. So I was passing on that. That's what I meant to say at the beginning. And then I don't think this sold out. Okay, didn't sell out, which I'm kind of surprised about, to be honest. I didn't go for this color. Oh, I was gonna say I didn't go for this color, so I'm assuming this color sold out. I think this hoodie is crazy. I didn't want to get too many. I feel like 2 was just enough. So, but I don't know. Now I'm almost kind of thinking I should have got that color instead, but I mean, it's whatever. We got the other 2. The shorts should still be here. They are. And wait, where was the tee? Still here as well. Yeah, so like I said, I didn't think really anything was gonna sell out. They were just items that I kind of wanted to get. Wow, the ring is still sold out. What's with like the big accessories not flying like they used to anymore? I mean, I doubt anyone really got that, but still. And the hat is still in stock, which is pretty crazy. Oh, did that sell out? No. Yes, maybe. I don't know. Okay, maybe the pink did sell out, so that's cool. I wonder if I'm gonna regret not buying this either. I wanted this for the personal, but we don't need it. I usually end up buying those and never wearing them, but I think that's gonna do it for the screen recording. This was a super quick week. Like, should I have gotten this? All right, full size run, so I guess it's good that I did not get that. But yeah, super quick week, so I guess I could just end the screen recording here. And that's gonna do it for my Supreme Spring Summer 26 Week 11 live cop. That might have been a new record of the fastest live cop. Like I was saying, I just wanted to throw everything into the cart, and if I checked out, I checked out. If not, it was no big deal. There was nothing that I was like extremely wanting this week. I actually just want to see something real quick. Yeah, it's still in stock. I didn't think any of that stuff was gonna fly. I also think I mentioned that as well. It was just some things that I thought were cool that I just wanted to get. The only thing for the personal though is gonna be those indigo shorts if they do fit. But yeah, super quick week, nothing crazy. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys are feeling this drop, and let me know if you guys picked up anything from this drop. And if you haven't already, make sure you follow me on Instagram as well as my brand Sudden. You can also check out my store, The Storm Factory. All the information will be in the description down below. I appreciate everyone's support. I've also been uploading a few reels if you want to check those out as well. And I also have way better live cops than this, and I got a whole playlist about them, which should be linked in the description down below as well. Lastly, make sure you hit the like button, make sure you subscribe, hit the bell to be notified anytime I upload another video. Hopefully next week will be a lot better, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. I'm out.